Jesus told this parable to make a point. The point is that God loves each one of us. Each one of us. He doesn't love us like a herd. No. Each person matters Him. If Jesus has to tell this parable in this year 2025, I think He will tell slightly differently. He will say, a shepherd had 100 sheep, 99 lost, and one remained with him. So he left that one and went for searching 99. We are those 99. We are scattered, we are lost. All our traditional values, which we learned during our childhood, most of us have given up. We have become worldly people. We remember God only when we are in trouble, serious sickness, accidents. Then we come running to God and plead with Him. Other time, God is forgotten. But God never abandons us. He cares for us. And that is the meaning of this parable. Because God is loving, caring, forgiving, shall we do what we want to do? Then we are stupid people. If my parents are very loving, caring, how can I insult them? How can I hurt them? Can I think of that? If this is true, how can we think of hurting God? How can we dare to disobey His commandments? When we observe the 10 commandments, we really love God, and God loves us. Therefore, let us ask this grace, that we remain faithful to Him, not just for 1 day, 2 days, a week, a month, but every day of our life.